Imagine you're shopping online. You find exactly what you're looking for, add it to your cart, enter your payment details, and click the checkout button. Then suddenly, an error message appears. The payment fails, you try again, but the website freezes. Frustrated, you close the page and move to another website. In just a few seconds, the business hasn't simply lost a sale, it has lost your trust. In today's digital world, reliability isn't just a feature, it's an expectation. Every day, billions of people rely on software without even thinking about it. We use mobile banking applications to transfer money, book flights, through travel websites, shop online, attend virtual classes, communicate with colleagues, stream entertainment, and access healthcare services. Software has become a part of almost every aspect of modern life. Because so many people depend on these digital systems, even a small software issue can affect thousands, or in some cases millions, of users around the world. This is where software testing becomes essential. Software testing is the process of identifying problems before customers ever experience them. Every button, every form, every page, every feature, and every user interaction is carefully checked to ensure the software behaves exactly as expected. Testers look for bugs, unexpected behavior, performance issues, and security vulnerabilities long before the software reaches the customer. The goal isn't simply to find defects, it's to deliver confidence, reliability, and a smooth user experience. Imagine two online stores selling the same products at similar prices. The first website loads quickly, every payment is processed successfully, pages respond instantly, and customers complete their purchases without any problems. The second website crashes unexpectedly, pages fail to load, payment transactions are unsuccessful, and users become frustrated. Which business would you trust with your money? In today's competitive digital marketplace, customer experience often determines whether a visitor becomes a loyal customer or leaves for a competitor. Software testing goes far beyond simply clicking buttons to see if they work. Quality assurance teams evaluate how software performs under different conditions. They test performance to ensure websites remain fast even during heavy traffic. They examine security to protect customer information from cyber threats. They verify compatibility across different devices, operating systems, and web browsers. They assess usability to ensure the software is intuitive and easy to navigate. Modern software development follows a continuous cycle of planning, development, testing, deployment, monitoring, and improvement. It's an ongoing process that helps businesses maintain quality, prevent failures, and continuously improve their digital products as customer needs evolve. At Data Experts 360, we help organizations transform ideas into digital solutions. From websites and mobile applications to software development, quality assurance, artificial intelligence, and data analytics, our goal is simple: helping businesses make smarter decisions through technology. The best software is the software people never have to think about. It simply works. Every click feels effortless. Every payment is completed successfully. Every page loads quickly. Every interaction feels smooth and reliable. That's the true power of quality software testing. Thank you for watching. Follow Data Experts 360 for more insights.